Our project is called Sentinel by Krish, Elan, and John. Ever since the pandemic hit, the world has stood still. Companies have had to adapt to survive, and many switched to online meetings. But not every industry can operate virtually. Colleges have millions of students and billions of dollars of research projects that they have to work on. Jobs in the manufacturing industry have many workers that work on factory floors and work on machines. They can't do this via Zoom. Military members must still remain battle ready and they have to continue their exercises and drills. The problem we're trying to solve is that companies and schools are struggling to figure out how best to return to work. They do not have the data or tools to make these decisions. That's why we created Sentinel, a COVID-19 risk tracker. It is a software, vaccine, and test management system. People can upload their COVID-19 testing documents to the system. We let administrators accept or reject documents, which can grant or revoke a person's access to facilities. We also provide a statistics dashboard for tracking, testing, and providing the ability to decide when and how employees and students return.
Our project is a COVID-19 tracker, which allows individuals to report their COVID test results. The information is analyzed to improve testing efforts. This screen allows individuals to report their COVID test results and upload documentation. So I enter my GTID number, the date of my COVID test, then I enter my test result, and finally I upload documentation which validates my test result. Finally, I click Submit. I am then provided with a QR code which allows me to access buildings based on my test results. Next, administrators will review documents which are uploaded by employees and students. As we can see, there is a queue of 8 documents which need to be reviewed. Each of these documents can be individually reviewed in their PDF form. For example, we can see the COVID test results here. Each of these documents can be approved or rejected, and they will then be removed from the queue. Finally, administrators can view useful statistics regarding the COVID test efforts. As we can see, there are several statistics which can be used, and there are graphs which allow administrators to understand the efficacy of their COVID testing efforts. Thank you for watching this presentation.
We interviewed many people who were forced to return to the office or knew they would have to in the future. There was a strong consensus that they did not want to return unless everyone was vaccinated or testing was performed as much as once a day. Furthermore, we learned that most companies currently do not have the resources to track testing and only ask for a survey when entering the premises. When we looked at our target market, we looked at the biggest industries that required on-site work, such as manufacturing jobs and education. We believe that these institutions would benefit the most from our platform due to their need to quickly scale up on-site presence and the existing security assets that can interface with our API. Our business model has 2 options: a subscription model of $50 per 1,000 users per month and a one-time licensing fee of $15,000. Because our software is lightweight and scales efficiently, we can offer our platform at a fraction of the price of existing security and surveillance software. Thank you for taking the time to view our product. We believe that we can all return to school and work one day, but until then, we need the tools that can keep us all safe.